back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test. 1080p, 60 frames per second with the iPhone 11. My iPhone 11, product red. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Got the windshield wipers going, no focus hunting, everything looking sharp, everything looking vivid, smooth, beautiful. But you're gonna let me know if that's what it looks like to you. And the audio quality that's being fed into your ears, hopefully you're digging it. A little music for your entertainment. Little Def Leppard photograph. For those of you that didn't know, but I'm sure you do. Yeah, let me know if you picked up the iPhone 11, whether it was the 11, the Pro, or the Pro Max. I went for the 11. 700 smacks. Walked into T-Mobile, told them what I wanted. Well, after I found out that they had it, even though I wanted the 128 gig, all they had was 64. But I can utilize 64 gigs. I've done it before. I'll do it again. I laid out 700 smacks on the counter. Bam! There it was for me. Second round with an iPhone. First one was the iPhone 8 Plus. It was a good experience. It wasn't like the wow factor, but I think I'm having a little more fun this time around. And it might have something to do with these cameras. And maybe just because I know a little more now than I knew the first time, with the iPhone 8 Plus. So I'm going to be continuing the reviewing process, sharing it with all of you. This is part of it. And this morning I did an early morning vlog in 1080p 30 frames per second. Please go watch that video. Everything looking really good. It was really dark out. There was a lot of street lights out this morning. Just kind of crazy. But it was really dark out. It handled itself really well. Getting some feedback from all of you. So I appreciate that very much as we continue the reviewing process with this smartphone. Got a case delivered to my house today. Got other cases coming from a few different companies, so I'll be doing some case reviews. Because the cases that I've already reviewed for the iPhone 11 were for the Pro and the Pro Max, not for the 11. So I'll be actually reviewing the cases, those cases, with this device instead of a dummy device. But the dummy device, the replica dummy devices are a great tool for reviewing cases. Yeah, there's some areas that you can't review, but that's how it goes. Wide angle. Back to regular wide. And now ultra wide angle. Let me know how everything looks. Again, how everything sounds. And yeah, feedback down below in the comment section. Appreciate it. To my next video. This is my Project 13. God bless, peace. I am out.